Hello, this is Tony Jones from I Dissect Music. We're going to do Above All by Michael W. Smith. We're going to start off with the intro. It sounds like this. So what was that? We're going to start off with the intro with a B flat chord first inversion. And the way I put my fingers is I'm going to relieve my thumbs. I'm going to hit the chord. Then I'm going to hit the chord C, D, F, B flat, C. So then to C, F, and C. Then I'm going to hit C, C, C. Then B flat, A. B flat, E flat, and B flat. Then I'm going to break it up. B flat, E flat, F, B flat, B flat. Back to the C, F, and C. Then I'm going to go C, C, B flat. So that whole sequence sounds like this. Then add the left hand is going to be B flat, B flat. So together, B flat, B flat, like that. B flat, F, B flat. So then A, F, A. G, E flat, G. A, F, A. Back, repeat. Come out of it. That there is a B flat suspended with an octave. B flat, sorry, F suspended with an octave. F, B flat, C, and F. Then I got D, A, D in the left hand. So to come out of it, the last chord before we go into Above All is that. Above all. Then we go into the song. I'm gonna do here's like a suspend to a major. So it's B flat, F, and G. And then move the middle note to the E flat. Then I'm going to play a B flat suspended, which is B flat, E flat, and F, and drop the thumb to the A. And then I'm going to go, that there's F, C, D, and F to the B flat. Then back to the single notes, D, E flat to the first chord that you play before going into the song. So together it sounds like this. Above all power, above all you. So let's add the left hand here. Above all power. Alright, when I hit the first chord here, I'm going to go E flat, B flat, E flat. Next chord, F, C, F. So I'm going to drop that thumb when I hit the last F. So, above all key. I'm doing that. When I hit that, I'm going B flat, F, B flat together. Then I'm going to go single notes and then right back to that first chord we'll play above all repeats and all creative things. Then the only difference is this chord. Before we go to Above All Wisdom, that's an F chord, F, A, C, F with an A in the left hand. Above all wisdom. So right there I'm going to play what is called a G minor, first inversion. B flat, D, and G. Left hand it's going to go G, D, G. So together. Then I'm going to go A, B flat. So together. And all the ways. That there's A, D, and A. Left hand I'm playing F, C, and F. All the ways of man. That there is B flat, E flat, F, and G. Left hand is E flat, B flat, and E flat together. That there is a B flat chord, add 9, B flat, C, D, F. Left hands is 2 Ds, and then single note A, B flat. You were there before the world began. That there, you were there, you were here before the world, sorry. It's B flat, E flat, and B flat with a C in the left hand. You were here before the world. Just switch the left hand to a B flat. Before the world began. That there's F, C, F, and C. Left hand I'm playing A, F, and A. And then to the first chord, Back to the beginning. All kingdoms, same chords. All thrones, power the world has ever known. Same stuff. There's no way to measure what you're worth. There's no way to measure what. Only difference, your worth. That there. It's a D suspended, D, F, and A, D bass. And then I'm gonna hit it again. Then hit the pinky to the D. So then hit the D chord with the octave. So then I'm gonna go. So that sequence there is D and A. And then I'm gonna hit two D's. D, C. So the last part, there's no way to measure what your worth. What's that? Get crucified, B flat chord with an octave. B flat, D, F, B flat. B flat bass. I hit two B flats. That there is a B flat suspended. Just move the D to the E flat. With C basses. Right there, it's an F second inversion. C, F, A. Left hand is A, F, A. That there is back to the B flat chord with the octave, and I'm playing B flat and F. So, repeat it. It's like an F first, A, C, F, A, with an A bass, like a rose. That there is above all wisdom. So it's the same chords, above all wisdom. Like a rose, trampled on the ground. Sorry, you took the fall. Now fall is B flat, E flat, and B flat with the C bass. We're gonna break it up. We're gonna go B flat, E flat, B flat, A, and then this is the only tricky part here. You took the fall. When I hit the F suspended second, it's C, F, and B flat, and I'm gonna break this up. D, B flat, D, F, B flat. So then we're gonna go B flat suspended. We played this chord before with the E flat basses, and then I'm gonna hit it again, drop the E flat down to the D, and then I got the F suspended second again, F basses, and then drop the B flat down to the A. Above all, back to the intro. So let's do the You Took the Fall. You took the fall, and thought of me. Basically the same thing. To go back into Crucified, you took the fall and thought of me above all. We're gonna do this, and all that is E flat first, G, B flat, E flat, and G with a G bass, into the F first, A, C, F with the octave A on it, and A bass. So above all, like to Crucified, 1, 2, like to Crucified, behind the song. So that's pretty much the whole song. And when you come out of it, you took the fall and thought of me above all. You end it with the intro. With the B flat at 9. That's the song. God bless you.